Are you frustrated because the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC opens for a second and then shuts down without warning? So let's look at the fixation. Solution 1. Clear Microsoft Store cache. For this, press Windows plus R from your keyboard. This will open Run dialog box. There type wsreset.exe and click on OK button. A command window will flash, then Microsoft Store will reopen. If this close your Microsoft Store instantly again, try next solution. Solution 2. Reset or repair Microsoft Store. For this, go to search and type Microsoft Store and then right click on it and select App Settings. Then click on Repair button. This will repair Store if there is any issue. Now try opening Store again. If it does not, then you can click on Reset button, but note that app data gets deleted. Click on Reset. Now try opening Store again. If it does not fix, then try next solution. Solution 3. Run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to search and type Store Troubleshooting and then select Store Troubleshooting options. Click on Next and it will begin troubleshooting. If there is any issue, it will show there and you can fix it. If not, move to next solution. Make sure following these services are running. For this, go to search and type services and then select it from the list. Then make sure following services are running, and if not running, then set it to running state. This service include Client License Service, Microsoft Store Install Service and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Just set Startup Type as automatic and also start that service. So this should fix your Microsoft Store instantly close issue. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.